Good morning. Good morning. So today's lesson is on 5.2, and it's a not a bad lesson. It's finding unknown numbers. So finding what number is going to fill in the blank practically. Um, it says Tanisa plans to invite 24 people. Let me add some notes. Tamisha plans to invite 24 people to a picnic. The invitations come in packs of 8. How many packs of invitation does Tanisha need to buy? So, how many people is Tanisha inviting? 24 people. How many invitations are in one pack? 8. So, an equation is a number sentence that uses the equal sign to show two equal amounts. Equation is a sentence that uses equal sign. We will have to remember that. Equation equal. A symbol or letter can stand for the unknown factor. You can write the equation n times 8 equals 24 to find out how many packs of invitations Tanisha needs. Find the number n that makes the sentence true. So, show an array with 24 tiles with 8 in each row. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So now we have 3 down and 8 across, which equals 24. So it says count how many rows of 8 there are. There are 3 rows of 8. The unknown factor is 3, so n equals 3, and 3 times 8 equals 24. So n equals 24, and she needs 3 packs of invitations. Okay, let me zoom that out a minute so you guys can see it all. So we had to look and see what n would be. And we know after we did our array, we know n is 3. Some people can look at n times 8 equals 24 and realize, oh, I know what n is. And here's another example. And you don't have to write this. Let's say I had n times 2 equals 6. Well, what times 2 equals 6? N's going to equal 3. Something like that. We always have to put the variable, which is n, equals. Or whatever. They could use any letter. Use the multiplication table. 3 times 8. Remember, we can go 3 over 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or we could go 3 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they did 8 times 3, which is 0, 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 times 8 is what? We know the unknown product, which is the answer, is 24. So the gray box equals 24. 3 times 8 is 24. So 24 equals, I'll just leave that blank. Actually, 24 equals 8 times 3. That's a commutative property. So they want to know what this gray box was. So instead of using n, they use this gray box. And we've been practicing using our multiplication table, so we should be able to find it pretty easy. What is the unknown factor? 5 times gray box equals 35. What does the gray box equal? Well, we know we have 5 down And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 across. So the gray box equals 7. D times 3 equals 27. Well, D is going to equal, what times 3 equals 27? 9. 6 times 5 equals triangle. The triangle should equal 30. C equals 5 times 4. So what's 4 times 5? 20. Gray box times 2 equals 14. Gray box is going to be 7. 9 times 4 equals B, or B equals 9. B equals 4 times 9? 36. 8 times E equals 64. E is going to actually equal 8. And you guys can always use this multiplication chart up here. 7 times star equals 42. 7 times 6. And 9 times 8 equals Z. Z is going to equal 72. Because remember, we can do our 9 trick on this. So what's 1 less than 8? 7. 7 plus 2 make 9. This is on your own, but I'm going to do it with you. Gray box is 9 times 2. Well, 9 times 2 is 18. 24 equals 4 times M. So what times 4 equals 24? 6. Y times 3 equals 9. Y is going to equal 3 because 3 times 3 equals 9. 7 times 9 is G. What's 1? We're doing on 9. So what's 1 less than 7? 6. 6 plus 3 make 9. So G equals 63. 4 times 6 is the 24. Oh, I'm sorry. This is 28. Or this is 7. Because 7 times 4 is 28. And then 6 times 4 is 24. N times, or 7 equals 7 times what? 1. Because 1 times 7 is 7. W times 3 equals 15. W equals 5. And 6 times, or star equals 8 times 6. Well, 8 times 6 is 48. So now this is a tough problem. So we're going to do one side and make it equal to each other. So this side is 3 times 6. Well, 3 times 6 equals 18. Now 9 times K has to equal 18 too. So 9 times what equals 18? 2. We can do this side first now because it's complete. 6 times 2, or 2 times 6 is 12. 4 times y has to equal 12 as well. So 4 times y equals 12. What's 4 times 3? 36 minus 6 is 30. So 5 times what equals 30? 5 times g equals 30. G is going to equal 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So 3 times what is 24? Going to be 8. 70 plus 2 makes 72. And 9 times d equals 72. What's 1 less than, or it's going to be 8. Because 1 less than 8 is 7 plus 2. Then 60 minus 4 is 56. 8 times h has to equal 56. And then 8 times 7 does equal 56. Invitations cost $3 a pack for a pack of 8. Lori gives the cashier 20 to buy invitations and gets $11 in change. How many packs of invitation does Lori buy? So she spends $3 to get 8. she gave the cashier 20 and got $11 back. So let's find out how much money she spent. She gave him 20 and got $11 back. So this is going to tell us how much she spent. She spent $9. So 3 times what equals 9? And let's use n. And I know that 3 times 3 equals 9. So n equals 3. So if she bought 3 packs and there's 8 in each pack, now we're going to have to do 8 times 3, which is 24. How many packs? Oh, well, we don't have to. Never mind. 3. We don't have to know the total. It's just how many packs. So, Lori bought 3 packs. If you want to find the total, then you take 3 multiplied by 8. So she got 24 invitations. Cos and Amelia each make a tile design with 36 tiles. Cos puts his in 4 rows. Amelia puts hers in 6. How many more tiles are in each of Cos's row than Amelia's? So we have Cos, we have Amelia. Cos puts his in 4 rows, and Amelia puts hers in 6 rows. So I know 4 times what equals 36. And then hers is 6 times what equals 36. So I know 4 times 9, so it's going to be 9 across, and 6 times 6 equals 36. So how many more are in Cos's row? Well, 4 times Cos has 9, and Amelia has 6. 3 more. And this number right here is what we were finding, the missing number. It says Tamisha needs 40 cups for the picnic. How many packs of cups should she buy? So there's 8 cups in 1 pack, and she needs 40. So 8 times n equals 40. Well, we got to find out what n equals. N's going to equal 5. She needs to buy 5 packs because 8 times 5 equals 40. 5 packs. Miss Hill buys 3 tablecloths and 2 packs of napkins. How much money did she spend? So a tablecloth is $2 a piece. So we have 3 times 2 equals 6. And 2 packs of napkins. So 2 packs of napkins cost $2. So 2 times 2 equals 4. Now we gotta take how much money did she spend? 6 plus 4. $10. It says, what if Tanisha needs 40 bowls for the picnic? Explain how to write an equation with a letter for the unknown factor to find the number of packs she should buy. Then find the unknown number. So, Tanisha needs 40 bowls. So, there's 6 in a pack, and she needs 40. So, 6 times what equals 40? Well, nothing times 6 equals 40. But she needs to figure out, she needs 40 at least, so she has to go more than 40. So 6 times n equals 42. And then n equals 7. She needs 7 packs. If we would have done 6 times 6 is 36, she wouldn't have enough bowls for everybody. So it's better to have more than not enough. She needs 7 packs. What if Randy needs an equal number of bowls and cups for the picnics? How many packs will each need to will he need to buy? So Randy needs an equal number of bowls and cups. So bowls come in 6 and cups come in 8. So this is see, find the multiples. If we skip count these, the first number we come to that are equal to each other is what we're going to need. So 6, 12, 18, 24, and then 8. Do you see 8 up here? Nope. 16. Do you see 16 up here? Nope. 24. How many? So we're going to have 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4. Because these are the multiples. 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3, 6 times 4. So 4 packs of bowls. And then 8 times 1, 8 times 2, 8 times 3. So 3 packs of cups. For questions 30A through 30D, we're going to choose yes or no if the unknown factor is 8. So 8 times 8 equals 64, yes. 8 times 3 equals 27, no, equals 24. 6 times 8 is 42, yes. 8 times 7 is 56, that is also true. So it's going to be yes, no, yes, yes. Remember, if you have to pause, pause. You just have to find the unknown number for these. Use this multiplication chart up here if it helps you. Explain why it does not matter what letter or symbol you use for an unknown number. I'll help you with this because they have no value. If I use 8 times G or 8 times Z, these have no value. They're just serving as like a placeholder, okay? Now, if I said G equals 8 and Z equals 4, then we know they wouldn't be equal. And remember, lesson check will be online. You guys can do it in your book, or you guys can do it online, or both. Okay. So some of you guys, hopefully you're doing it because there's a few grades that we're both missing. But other than that, you guys should have a good one.